Today I'm gonna share a beautiful and easy-going cycling route in the downtown area of Shanghai. It's 7.4 kilometers long, features beautiful riverside scenery. Along the way, there are sports centers, art museums, and green spaces. You can get off at any stop to enjoy the views. I will list the text version route at the end of this video. First things first, you need to rent a bicycle. See this QR code? Use the app to scan this QR code. Okay, it's unlocked and we can go. There are 3 kinds of shared bicycles in Shanghai. Green one, Didi Bike. Blue one, Hello Bike. Yellow one, Meituan Bike. Not much differences, just come from different service providers. To use them, you need to download the corresponding apps and register an account. Before you start riding, remember, check the brakes and the tires to see if they are in good condition. It's a riding map, see? We are here. This place is the start point, and we ride along the riverside. And this is the destination. Start our museum. Navigate here. We start at the Ledongli Sports Park. It's near a ferry terminal. People doing sports like to watch huge ships passing by, and I like to watch them watching. Next stop, Gate M. It used to be a century-old cement factory. Now it's transformed into a leisure and commercial center. There are also cafes and restaurants where you can grab a quick bite or enjoy a leisurely coffee break. This place used to be oil tanks, but now it's been turned into an art center. There are always all kinds of interesting art exhibitions and events. The building itself is very unique. People can enter different tanks to appreciate various exhibitions. After that, we'll pass by the West Bund Art Museum. It showcases a wide variety of artworks from both domestic and international artists. The Maritime Tower. I can't tell whether it's beautiful or ugly. I can only say it's very special. We'll continue to Xuhui Riverside green space. Before that, we will cross a bridge. Remember to get off your bike and push it. Many people don't follow the rule. If they meet the traffic police, they will be fined. The summer is Teisho and the winter is Teihua. So the springtime and the autumn times are the best seasons for riding. So if you ride in summer, it's best to choose the evening, and if winter, better to choose noontime. Xuhui Riverside Green Space, a well-maintained garden. You can take a stroll along the riverfront, enjoy the peaceful and relaxing environment. The Long Museum. It has a vast collection of artworks and cultural relics. You can pay to visit if you are interested. Then we reach the Riverside Skateboarding Park. I can't skateboard, but I'm a great watcher. Finally, we arrived at the Start Museum. It features new and innovative art. This museum is a great place to end our cycling tour. Finally, if you need to take the subway to leave, you can ride your bike to Longhua Middle Road Station. Hope you've enjoyed this tour. I'm Wawa. See you next time.